Assalamu alaikum children. Let's continue our lesson, My Greatest Prize. At the practice, all the German guy named Luz Long was doing 26 feet. Apparently, he was Hitler's secret weapon to prove Aryan superiority. Once wanted to show race did not matter by performing better, but an angry athlete is not a good one. In his first two qualifying jumps, he fueled by leaping from several centimeters beyond the takeoff board. Only a third jump was left, and if he fueled, he won't qualify for the event, leave alone winning it. Yes, here in the German, all the German name, the call name, tall or loose, one of the, yes. He was doing 26 feet apparently, and the Hitler's secret weapon, Aryan superiority. Aryan superiority is the, according to the German Nazi party member race of people with fair hair and blue eyes. One of the person is superiority, the feeling of being better than somebody else. Yes, and fueled means something that is done against the rules of game. Yes, fueled means something that is done against the rule. So here athletes, not a good one. He in his first two qualifying jumps he fueled by leaping the from several centimeters beyond the take of the board. Only a third was left. In the two long qualifying jumps, athletes fueled by leaping. Yes, and in the only a third jump was left, and if he fueled, he would not qualify for the event, leave alone winning it. Yes, and the next is Ons left frustrated and angry with himself as he was walking away from the pit. Luz Long came and said a friendly hello. They shook hands, and Long asked Ons what was bothering him. You should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. Yes, after that Ons frustrated. Frustrated means feeling being annoyed or impatient for failing to do some things. Yes, but Luz came and said to Ons, "What? Hello." They shook hands, and what he said, you should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. Believe me, I know it, Ons told him, and it felt good to say that to someone. They had a small chat, and without being told, Long understood what was disturbing Ons. Long did not believe that their race or any race was better than any other. They joked about he looked the perfect Aryan specimen though an inch taller than Ons. He had lean, muscular frame, clear blue eyes, blonde hair, and a strangely handsome chiseled face. Yes, muscular means what? Having a large strong muscles. Yes, and chiseled, sharp features. Yes, so believe me, I know it, Ons told him, and it felt good to say someone. They had a small chat. Yes, and they joked about how he looked the perfect Aryan specimen, though he had lean, muscular frame, clear blue eyes, blonde hair, and strangely handsome. Yes. Thank you. Continue lesson. The